Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. And see what we are dealing with today, no man. Yeah, man, we're there with none other. Yo, we're there with one of the, well, I would say one of the best, one of the biggest up and coming stars right now in Afrobeats music. You know what I'm saying? She definitely got an icon look. She can definitely become a superstar in the future. She can definitely dominate as a female artist in Afro music. And if you don't know what we're talking about today, we're there with one of the baddest, one of the best South Africa. We're talking about none other than Tyla. Yeah, man, girl bad, man, girl look good, man, and girl about them charts. She's doing numbers right now, and it's a good look. And I told you we're gonna keep our eye on Tyla and keep our eye on her journey, because she's doing great right now. Yeah, I'm good, bro. What? You see me? I don't know, say Tyla, the one we are doing with a jump, and I wanna feature Gunna and the boss, the yard boss, right? So Mr. Eastside right now. I talk about Skillibeng. You see me, one hour we own up on the track too, so we definitely have to check out the video, see what going on. See if it's actually a real collab where he's in the video and not just like one of them blood collabs where they claim like the artist depend it and you know see them in the video. You see me? Yeah man, so I want to check it out and see what them are deal with. Yeah man, Tyla doing her thing, Skillibeng are the boss, and you know say Gunna making a comeback even though all the controversy around his name and stitching and stuff. But we know they have to do it on that, we have to check out Tyla, Gunna and Skillibeng, the one I name Jump. Yeah man, Tyla a bad girl, man. You see me? We already checked out the song, now we're going to check out the video and see what man deal with. Hopefully the video is just as good as the song, you see me? Without all the vibe much longer, let's jump right in. Tyla, Gunna, Skillibeng, Jump. Let's get it, gang. Oh shit, what they at? They're in Africa? She's there in her hometown. I think she said she's from Johannesburg, I believe. Yeah man, this shit look just like Jamaica, bro. You see me? This could be a part of Kingston as well. This video remind me of something. I've seen this video before.
Original gal, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular.
Original gal, you want a replica? Smooth, even a regular. No, sir.
No. Pretty for real and pretty pa my cellular. No. You know say you hot. No.
Yeah, man. Pretty for real and pretty pa my cellular. You know say you hot, gal. Scotch bonnet.
Never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer.
Yeah, man.
I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me.
Be a pretty girl in Africa. To them, they know. Eh?
With the drama, unless you come in with the commas. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up.
Yeah, man, yo, she doing it, bro. You know, she got it.
From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speed.
Nice little slim thing, man. Nice little painting, man. Come on, man. Y'all body, y'all skin tight, man. Easy. I don't know if I know that girl Ludi. I walk one.
Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make him feel weaker. But you know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump.
Our body is a healer. Believe your woman. Once our body is a healer. Yeah, no fun. Y'all can't say that, you know.
Jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump. Back it up. You know.
Bring in a little same thing, them man. Yeah, man. Shit.
I love to make it jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump.
Mama, rebrand for the slimmers, them. Easy, no? Yeah, man. Mama, good man.
Back it up.
Damn, nigga, what you got going on, bro? I can't domino game all over the game this. Jesus.
You know I love to make it.
Only gotta make a call and I'm here. Gonna wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some carrots in your ear. Make this stitch up, I wanna put it in the ring.
Yo, y'all fish. You gonna say, yo, I put some carrot in your hair. Make this day jump, I wanna put it in your fish. Move up, Batty boy, gonna move up, my youth. Skillibeng, come tell them and show them how a yard man do it. Boy, gonna move up, my youth.
Guilty, I serve it like a dealer. Creeping out though, while I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in Joe Bird, it couldn't feel no willow. Up every picture, Polaroid.
Come on, with that lame ass shit, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, Gunna. Move up, man. Lame ass shit, bro.
You know what? Baby sweet feeling like sirloin. Told the show
Maybe sweet to like a sirloin. Boaz, boy, move up, you.
take a shit in that star. Have a play with you, be a war.
You buy when I buy a girl now, I put carrots in here, man. Get shit, Chanel, this buy, I did this. I be a buy, I try buy the girl, man. Move up, man.
From Jersey to Ibiza.
Skillibeng, show me how yard, man. This is what this reminds me of. Coffee video. Coffee toast video. That's what this shit remind me of, gang. Yeah, man. Remember toast? This is what Coffee was sitting on doing his hair, doing her hair, while the youth them not play soccer and thing. But she doing the same shit. As me chill in yard, do I hear I leave them play domino or Ludi or whatever on a fight. Yeah, same thing.
Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no
Say her body banging like speakers. Yeah, man, mama.
millimeter. And my face can't make him feel weaker. But you know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, top. You know
What the hell is Haibo? Eh? Let me know. Put me on. What does Haibo mean, guys? I hope I'm not.
I love to make it jump, 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 jump.
Oh, clap, mama, kick ball. Lord, clap. Granny, at the ball.
You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump,
Don't
jump.
ramp with Granny. Don't put the flag, Granny. I don't ramp with Granny, dude. Yeah, man. Like,
Jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it
don't
up,
play
top.
Granny, you know. Skillibeng can show them boy how yard man do it. Skillibeng show them young boy gonna waste man that talk about name the girl and going to girl rear and all these things. Move up, man.
Now I love to make it.
Yo, Skillibeng, get them the dog, get them there with the bro G them, bro.
For real, let's kill it. Tell him how a yard man do it. Easy now. Easy now.
When you make it jump so, the body see a pussy and it love struck. Now you have
Yeah, man, my body see a pussy and he love strong. When they pan no eating thing like Gunna. Move up.
to me sending love go. This are the part of me make you come for.
Yeah.
Jump, 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 jump.
You know I love to make it jump.
Man, this is the part where make you come first, man. You see when they pan the Gunna, that lame ass American shit, boy.
Jump, jump, dum, 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 back it up, top.
Come on, easy now.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Pretty for
Easy now, man. Pretty for real and pretty for me cellular. Big up Tyla, that.
real, I'm pretty for my cellular. No. Don't say you hot. No.
God, please, I love you.
You know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, top.
Gang, when we know that the other thing about the one day. You see me? Fire or not. You let me know what I do. What I do if I get like a Tyla right now? What I do? Let me know in that comment section. Is Tyla the baddest out right now? Is Tyla the baddest out in Afrobeats right now? Let me know in the comment section. She putting on. Like I should bring in the slim as them. Like I slim as them for the summer, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Slim as them. I'm like them come out of the woodworks now. You see me? Yeah, over for the thick as them. You see me and say, yeah man, niggas been brainwashed too much about the thick gal. Like slim as them, you look like it there, you know. You see me and say, yeah man, so shout out to Tyla, Gunna, Skillibeng, the one I name. Jump. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Like I said, yeah, like the visuals, I think she took it home, which is Johannesburg or Joburg. And yeah, it look a lot like Yard. Like I said, the video really remind me a lot of Coffee's toast. Coffee's toast, when they, you know, she sit down doing the braids in the yard while the kids them play soccer. It's the same shit she doing. She doing the braids. We don't play domino and shit like that. Yeah, that's a vibe. Like it. We already knew the music, but the video is also a vibe as well. You know what I'm saying? She took it back home to Joburg, put on. You know, it's a good look. It's a good look. So shout out to Tyla. Let me know what you think about that. Let me know what you think about Gunna verse or Skillibeng verse. You see me? I say, what was your favorite part? Who was your favorite artist on the track? All that good stuff. I chop it up. You see me? I say and discuss it, gang. You already know what time it is. Definitely drop your requests as well. I'll definitely get it done. You already know the boys back on the grind, back on the, you know? Back on the grind, going crazy, man. I'm dropping back-to-back videos, you know what I'm saying? So, let me know what your favorite part is. Discuss it. Drop your requests. All that good stuff. Look out for the lives. You already know what time it is. Till next time, gang. It's your boy, Jambisco. Take care of yourself.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.